Хорошо. Все, я... Да.
The 16th of September is now. Caught some fish, checked the nets, but today I caught a taiman. In general, I was checking the fishing nets and I was very cold, constantly in the water, all wet, my hands are frozen. Now we urgently need to warm up and drink tea. It's warm and nice in the hut. I'm trying to save the bread I brought in the helicopter. A few bags of bread. I'll be drying it soon. But now hay's a little wet and needs to dry the sun for now. While there is sun, I have laid out the solar panel, and now I will charge all my devices. Today I went hunting, and that I shot a grouse. So we'll do it with poultry and meat. The feathers go under the bait for sable. The meat goes to my food, and the bones go to my dog Blizzard.
Вон пурга молодец, молодец. Вот так полежи, полежи, да.
The dog needs to be rewarded for his work sometimes. It's not nutrition. It's a treat and encouragement. The real dinner will be when we come to the hut, where she will eat fully. A full pot of porridge with fish and meat. We walked for a few more hours, and I sat down to have a snack at a rest stop. This is what my snack looks like. Bread, tea, Snickers. I'll rest a little and go to the hut. I'm tired of walking in the snow today. Hot tea helps out in such cases.
Вот конкретно тут снежина идет. Так. Это расстояние. Вот. 17 сентября. Чай будем сейчас пить. Сегодня мы хорошо потрудились. Ну молодец, стойка у тебя уже есть такая. им сушиться, греться. Фу, нельзя сюда. Фу, нельзя. Нельзя, фу.